Introducing the 2022 Ford F-250. Here's a tough, fully capable Ford F-250 that's ready to help you get demanding jobs done safely and with ease. This full-size, heavy-duty pickup leverages military-grade aluminum alloy, high-strength steel, and rugged components to bring you extraordinary performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, cruise control, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Get into a truck with serious work ethic. This F-250 is waiting just for you. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.